Hi, I'm Joel Castro and I'm here at Blake Manufacturing Company, the original manufacturer and inventor of the Coaxial indicator. It's a device that's used to easily and accurately line up a spindle with the workpiece, an ID or an OD. We just finished a product demonstration video where we went through the products that we had. So if you want to learn a little bit more about those, go back and check that video out. Now we're going to be showing you how to use this product. So come over here and let's get started. So all of our products basically work the same. It's just whether it's metric or inch. And then we have the economy version, which is a little bit not as accurate, positional accuracy. So once we go through one and show you how to use one, you'll be able to use any of these. I'm gonna go ahead and pick our 801, which is our premium product. I'm gonna attach a feeler. This is a straight feeler. It's designed to be used for IDs inside diameters. Tightening it in place here. Yeah, I think we're set up, and so we're going to put it on our machine. Now we have a test fixture already set up here. We're going to be lining up our spindle with this the ID down here. That's what we're going to be doing. So we'll put this in place. Tighten it. Lock it. We have a restraining arm holes here, threaded holes, 3 different places. So you can use this wherever it's convenient for you and safe. I'm going to put it right here. And then we got this mag stop here. That way we could turn the spindle on. This doesn't turn with the spindle, and we're able to see what's going on with the dial face. When we engage this feeler, we want the small hand down there, if you can see it. Yeah, that one down there. We want it to engage somewhere in the middle. What's going on is it's telling us, what's measuring, but it's telling us that the gear train is engaged. And so as it goes back and forth, and we dial it in, there is engagement, so the measurement is accurate. You don't want it out here. You don't want it out there. That's too much. You're going to ruin the instrument. So, or you're not going to get a good feeling if it's done of accurate measurement. So I'm going to put it in place. You want to put your workpiece pretty close to center already. Eyeball it, and then use your instrument to fine tune it in. So right now I'm in place. The machine's operating at about 100 RPM. Our manual says you can use up to 800 RPM, but there's really no need to go that high speed. If there is, send us an email and tell us what you're using it on so we know why. But 100 or 200 RPM max is probably good enough. So I'm gonna turn it on now. Okay, well, it was already centered, so I'm uncentering it. So we got the needle. The big one's moving back and forth, and as you can see, it's just panning out. And the way it's designed to be used is you use your X and your Y axis and you use your controls. And you use one until that needle gets as narrow as possible, and then it's going to start to pan out and get even more wider again, that you've gone too far. You want to get it as narrow as possible and stop, and then move, and you alternate back and forth until you fine tune it until that big needle is completely stopped. So right now I'm going to move one of the tables directions. So that's right there is basically the minimum. So now I'm going to move the other direction, and it's becoming more narrower, and then it started getting wider. You see that? So now I went too far. That's about as narrow as it's getting. That's going too far. So now I'm going in. So now it's getting pretty close. There you go. So I just alternate back and forth on the X and Y until I get that needle to basically stop. There's a little bit of more movement, so if you want to get really close in there. And when that needle stops moving, which is right there, this 801, our premium product, is getting you within 2/10 accuracy. So your spindle is within 2/10 positional accuracy of the workpiece hole that we just that we're using here, using a 2-inch feeler and a 2-inch and a 2-inch diameter. Now, if those measurements change, the feelers change, the distance or angle change, check out our website for specifications. Go straight down to the bottom and you should be able to see the differences in measuring. But you basically want that big needle to be as still as possible, almost no movement, and then you know you're pretty much dead nut center. This is for the inch one. For the metric, it would work the same, and you'd be within 2/10 with the metric, and which is the same thing as 2/10, just the metric. And if we had the economy, you'd still get the needle stop just like this, but the positional accuracy of that one is 1 thou, 0.001. So that's for like lower tech applications. So this white dial face or the yellow might be for businesses doing businesses with other businesses, so B2B, or machine shops that have high tech, medical, aerospace, defense, anything that you need really tight tolerances. You want to make sure you have that feature perfectly aligned. And the economy is good for lower tech applications, but also good for home and hobbyists that want the good quality name brand. So that's basically it. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email at blakemanufacturing.com. Thanks.